No.
So matching the lines and
Yeah.
center fold.
Do you
If
always
you
have
can-
this on the grain?
Yeah, grand.
Yeah, very
But
important.
just for reference, you can mark the 90 degree.
Yeah.
That's it. Just for up to cover 2 million neck point.
Okay, 2 fingers
Okay.
away from the neck point.
And cut off neckline without seam. Okay, without seam.
Yeah. Did you say without a seam?
Yeah.
Without. Yeah. Okay, armhole, no seam.
So armhole, no seam allowance. Okay.
So you can see the from apex.
Yeah.
Okay, this is it. Into outside.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay? So look at the side seam. Side seam straight. This line.
Mhm.
The outside. So just bring up to color
Okay.
line.
Okay.
Okay? So this is the first dot.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
So that horizontal line has to be horizontal. You've brought
Yeah,
it
yeah.
up so that that
So
by
you can see
eye
that,
is
yeah,
horizontal.
You can see it's
Yeah.
not 90 degree.
Yeah. Yeah.
See?
Okay.
You see it? Just reference.
Okay.
Exactly same process on the body. The person.
Yeah.
It's the same. Second dot, if I do this way, you see that here something.
So you're
No.
taking the dart towards
No,
the
no,
front.
just moment. You can see the hair. Something wrong. Not
Yeah.
clean.
No.
No? So if you cut off the excess of the
Okay,
line, is
okay.
waistline. So now you can do the more neatly.
Oh, okay.
Okay?
Mhm.
So make sure that you ease.
So that the waistline's clean and there's no
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
excess
exactly.
fabric. Yes. Oh, it's such a lovely way to work.
You see? Huh?
Very
Very
Oh,
neat.
that's so lovely.
So very importantly, ease. Minimum.
Yeah.
Okay? For the
What
this
did you say there?
is ease.
Yeah. How
So
much?
maybe-
How much is the minimum?
For
No,
movement.
it's visual. Okay,
Okay.
visualize it then. For example, yeah?
So
Too
not
much.
tight.
No.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. So the back centre back line's on the grain again.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's like doing an operation.
Yeah. And then clean out the line first.
Okay.
Okay, no seam.
No seam allowance. But you have got seam allowance on that shoulder, haven't you?
Yeah, just put
Overlap,
together. Just
yeah.
overlap.
This is really good. This one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And armhole, no seam.
So those lines don't need to line
No,
up
no,
because
no,
they're
no, no.
just about
Yeah,
showing the grain of the
Yes.
fabric. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Clean the waistline.
Could you not get the same result if you just folded that darting, or do you have to
You
cut
know,
it and
because more
Yeah.
thin.
Okay.
No? If you fold.
yeah, thickness? Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah,
That's
okay.
one.
Okay.
You, yeah, you could fold.
Yeah.
But I prefer.
But I just think yeah.
Yeah.
It does lay
Yeah,
particularly
nicer.
Yeah.
flat.
Yeah.
doesn't it?
Yeah, flat.
My job for today. Masking tape fuller. Yeah,
Whole line.
tape
Okay.
fully. Okay.
And you trimmed
Yeah.
it off along the waist, so it's in
Yes,
line
yes.
with the waist,
Okay.
so it should lay
Then
flat.
lastly, you decide
How
the
much ease?
ease.
Right. And a very small armhole.
No, not small.
A normal armhole?
This is normal.
Is
It's
it?
large, more larger than longer.
Say that once again.
It's a large
Large.
than
Than the longer.
Yeah, it's completely
Okay.
opposite, no?
All right. Well, I'm going to learn. That's something
Then
else
you-
I'm going to learn.
yeah.
That's new today.
So 2 fingers goes,
Aha.
okay?
Oh, so nothing to move.
Yeah.
Right. So you do that around the waist and
Yeah.
within that
Okay.
armhole, yeah.
Put it for the dress. So make sure the ease for yeah, as well. Okay.
At the back.
Yeah.
For movement. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. It's very important
So there's
for the ease. Huh?
so there's no specific side seam or shoulder seam at the
No,
moment.
because it's,
No seams.
seams. We're gonna
Create
yeah.
afterwards. Okay.
okay.